Over the years, we have invented some very ingenious means of communication. Smoke signals, light signals, letters, Morse code. There are means of communication that allow us to communicate by voice and hearing, like the telephones that allow you to talk to your friends wherever you are. Other means of communication allow us to communicate through sight and words, such as writing letters. I love receiving postcards from all parts of the world. But nowadays, we tend to use the internet more and send emails. The internet has undoubtedly become the most important means of communication of all. With this technology, by using a computer, a tablet, or a simple mobile phone, we can write to each other, hear each other, and even see each other, even if we are thousands of kilometers away. A few years ago, this was unthinkable. The media also allows us to communicate with many people at the same time. Can you think of any means of communication that does that? Yes? Well done! Television is a means of communication with which you can reach a large amount of people at the same time. That's why we call it mass media. Other means of mass communication are radios, newspapers, and of course, the internet. Did you realize that the internet is the media that contains all the medias? How cool is that? It's the Media King! The media also allows us to be informed about what's going on in the world. And they can also help us have fun, learn, and get to know things that we may not have otherwise known.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, fire!
But we must not forget that the media is just that, a medium, and can never replace direct communication. The media doesn't allow us to hug each other to say, "I love you," or smell the scent of a flower, or wipe away our tears with a caress. They are great tools to use, especially when we're far away from our loved ones, so we can keep in contact. But remember, physical contact is highly important too, as is keeping in contact with nature. Goodbye, friends, until the next video.